Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa, and today I am bringing to you a little DIY gift that children can take to school and give to their classmates. And not only to their classmates, they can give it to anyone. You can give it to anyone. So let's start off. I am tracing my shapes onto colored paper. Later on, I actually use construction paper. It's a little bit more sturdy. And after tracing out our shapes, we will be cutting it, stuff that we know how to do since we were little. I decided to do 3 different shapes just to change it up a little bit and not be all the same. I've also decided to choose different colors, so Easter themed colors. Next I am trying to figure out where I want my lollipops to be, and this is all trial and error. These are the first shapes that I was making, so I started off by figuring out where I wanted the lollipop, but later on I decided maybe I want to write the words on the shape first, so then I can see where I want the lollipop. And here I am actually using a marker to write my message. I'm writing Feliz Páscoa, which means Happy Easter in Portuguese. This is actually for my niece and nephew to take to school, so that's why it's in Portuguese. If you want to make this easier for you, you can print out the shapes with the message already on them. So if you go into Word or any editor, Canva, I like to use Canva, you can print out the shapes with the message. So Happy Easter, or thank you for being my friend. And then you just insert the lollipop. I wrote who it was from, and that's pretty much it. It's a very simple little DIY, and it's also a very nice gesture. I think it's very important that we teach our children the act of giving without expecting anything in return, and I think this is a great way to do it. If you don't want to add a lollipop, you can actually stick on a piece of chocolate if you want. It's very versatile. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy to make. Here's a finished product. I did 3 different colors and 3 different shapes. I think the end result is really cute, and most importantly, it's a very nice gesture. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you like this type of video. Comment down below if you're going to be doing anything like this for Easter. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future content. Once again, thank you very much for being here, and until next time, bye.